In this video, let us understand how to make carpooling project. So we need to understand the concept and we can make the synopsis based on this concept. But anyway, we provide the synopsis in PDF or Word format. You can able to download from our website. Let's first understand the concept here. So what is carpooling? So we can share the same car with other co-passengers so who wish to travel in the same direction or to the same place. So in order to make this, so we need to build an online website. So via website they can able to communicate with us and then we can carry them and then bring it back. So what are the advantage of carpooling? Get more comfort, save resources, be social, reduce traffic, no parking hassle. Means instead of four people take the four cars, so if all the four travel in the same car, naturally you can save a lot of space, reduce the traffic because instead of four car there is only one car. Be social, so alone traveling instead of that you can talk and talk with other co-passengers. Save resources, so four car, four times of petrol, but here one time petrol. Comfortable, so therefore you can sit comfortably and then you can travel. So you don't need all the four people, no need to drive, only one will drive, rest of them are comfortably sit. Okay, so anyhow these are the advantages. Because of lot of advantages, so we need to make a project for the same. So how to do the project, so how to reach all the people. So for this it's a, like it's a startup idea or a new concept. Based on that we need to plan it, how the website or the what are the things we need to provide through the website. So the aim is to reach most of the customers or most of the co-passengers who wish to travel with this particular car. Okay, so car or bike or any vehicle. So now let's assume that this is the company. Let's say it's a startup. So they want to make a this kind of website. So via website they want to reach both the users who have car owners as well as the other passengers. So what they need to do? So what are the options they need to provide in this particular website or in this particular project? So therefore we can have basically two module. One is called the admin module and then the user module. So what admin can do is he can log in. They can go to main page. So here what are the options you require for the admin? So for admin it's the vehicle type. So what are the vehicle types? That we can make a form, so therefore they can write all the types here. Then the corresponding list. So next is the vehicle make, because when the user entering their car detail, so they don't need to type and all. So therefore they can choose the one from the list. So therefore corresponding list. So next is users. User can sign up here. Then they can log in. They can go to main page. So here they can register the car. Okay, so register vehicle or car. So on this side, on the admin side, so they can see the user list, who are all the users. Then they can able to see the listed cars. Listed cars. Right. So listed car. Now the user is register the car. Next what happen? So on the other side, so they search car. Okay. So somebody want to travel from place to place, they can search the car. So once they search the car, so search based on the location A to B, A location to B location. So any search, because already people are registered and they tell where they go. So in the registration only they'll tell where to where they'll travel, A to B. So whenever it matches, so the list will come, car list. Then they'll register their request. They'll send the request. Once you send the request, so you should come to the this user. Okay, so who are the one who registered? So therefore you can say request list. Then they can approve this. Okay, because based on the person's details, they can approve this. Once they up, so here is the approved list. The approved list will come. So therefore this part is to search the car and request for the travel. This part is to for the same user. If he has the car, he can register and he can see the request list and he can give the approval. Then later you can see the approved list. Approved list. So all this you can able to view it here. On the other side, so here you can see that listed cars are there. Then here also they can see the approved list for each car. overall approved, that list will be there. So later once you reach the required size, so then you can charge money from the users, so therefore you can get a lot of money. That is the advantage in this website or in this project concept. So hope you understand the concept. If you have any doubt, let me know, so please write it in the comment box. So if you're looking for this project synopsis, please go to this iblix.com/pages. There we have a lot of project synopsis. Please download whichever one you want. So overall, the carpooling is very innovative and very useful idea. So therefore, based on that, if you do the project, really worth, right? Not only for co-pensions, even you can drop the childrens with the same concept, because you have to take the children to school. Instead of your own children, you can also take along with the some more children. Therefore, if they're requested, we can do that also, right? So if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and also right click on iBlix tutorials. You can see that if you right click, you'll get this window and open in new tab. If you click this, it will take to new tab and our channel. There you can find lot of videos related to the project. Please watch them and learn and implement that project. So here is our channel. So please subscribe here, and then when you have free time, so browse the videos. Probably a lot of videos are related to the project only, so therefore you can learn how to make the project, in which language you want. Probably we already explained. For example, in VB you want to do some projects, we explain step by step how to do VB project or C# project or Python. So therefore a lot of videos are available, so please watch them, keep learn. So then I'll just show you like how this synopsis looks and what are the things already there. So here is a carpooling. So this is the abstract, this is the existing system, proposed system, admin module, employee and user module, software, hardware requirement and the software requirement. Software, as we discussed, you can write what are the softwares you are required. You do not necessarily always Python. You can use ASP.NET or JSP or PHP and corresponding backend. So hope you understand the concept now and you have a synopsis. So check it out. So if you want to say something to us, please write it in the comment box. Let me know what you're thinking. And also, if you're looking for any project, you can also contact us. Thank you very much.